What's going on, guys? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome day. Today I wanted to show you a awesome niche that you can actually get into, and this niche has a lot of potential because the RPM and also the CPM on this particular niche and channel is super high, right? And also make sure you stay till the end of the video, because at the end I'll be showing you something that will allow you to be making income or money by posting your first video. Okay, and this has been the proven strategy that I've actually been using for a number of years since I've started YouTube automation business. By the way, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I talk about everything got to do with starting your own online business, especially with faceless content. Okay, so before I dive deep into it, let's show you that this channel is actually making money, and this channel is monetized and using the faceless method. So this is a Chrome extension that I actually use to check if the channel is actually monetized or not, right? So if I click on this and I just click on this, check the channel, and this will literally show me that the channel is actually monetized or not, right? So you can see this channel is monetized, and this channel is actually in the YouTube partner program, which is awesome. And now let's see, like, my strategy, that what I actually use. I want to find a new channel which is less than 3 months old and they're getting a lot of views, more than the subscriber base. Okay, so if I go oldest video, you can see this channel has literally started like a month ago. Okay, so not that long. I only got 33 videos and it got close to like 95,000 subscribers, and soon it will have like 100,000 or 100,000 subscribers on their channel. And oldest video is for first video they started, they got traction. Okay, so latest video, as you can see, they're getting a lot of views. Even though they're getting like 3,000 views, they're still making close to a lot of money, because this RPM on this particular channels and niche is close to about $25 to $30. Okay, which is awesome. And if I go to most popular, you can see they got close to 2 million views on this video, 330,000, 340,000, 153,000, and literally started blowing up. And pretty much what they're doing is their video is so simple, and pretty much their thumbnail is so simple as well, and they're just creating and they're uploading every video, like videos every single day. Okay, and they pretty much have a full automated team behind them, and they're pretty much creating this style of videos, and they're earning a lot of income. So you can see they've got a good description in here, and you can see close to, like, only with 33 videos they got close to about 3.2 million views. Okay, which is literally just mind-blowing. Okay, so how they're actually creating this style of video is they're just going to Fiverr, and they want to create videos like this, and pretty much you gotta be finding a team that knows motivational niche very well, so you don't get demonetized. Okay, because a lot of people actually start motivational channels, but they actually get demonetized because they don't know the proper way to actually run these automated motivational channels. Okay, and the channel that we actually model after is like a bigger channels that actually literally got like million subs. So we just modeling after what they're doing. However, we're just finding smaller channels that's getting a lot of views, a lot of momentum, and they only started close to about 3 months. Or some channels actually we found they started, like this channel, you can see perfect example, they started only like a month ago. Okay, so probably 4 weeks ago they started, first video started blowing up, and the channel started literally picking up traction because they got a unique way that they're actually creating this style of content. So it's very simply, you just gotta go to Fiverr and find the right talent who can actually create this style of videos. Okay, this is like a motivational style of videos. And what I actually explained to you before, the reason they're doing such a long videos is because they can earn a lot of income. Okay, so if I actually do this niche, my videos will be close to like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour long. Okay, because I know that when people actually they just have these videos playing in the background while they're actually driving to work, they're coming home from work, and they're pretty much getting up early in the morning. They want to listen to some motivational videos, and pretty much this is the perfect channel that people actually want to be watching, right? And the audience is also like older audience for this particular niche. I'm talking like between 25 years all the way to 65 years of age. People like to always listen to motivational content, okay? And this is like a perfect example. There's few other Napoleon Hill channels actually who's literally started, and their channels actually also picking up a lot of momentum. And per video, if you look at this style of videos, if you can create this style of videos yourself, right, you can pretty much have these automated channels bringing in positive cash flow, right? Because you're not going to be putting that much money to actually hire the team. You can pretty much create these videos yourself, and pretty much you can pump out these videos, style of videos. And because this niche is actually blowing up right now, you're going to be getting into the algorithm very, very fast, and you can just ride the wave and then build multiple channels after that into like probably like many different languages, right? That's the motto that I actually follow. When I actually find a right niche, I duplicate into multiple different languages, okay? And that's the reason we actually build channels fast, because we find a trend that actually works in the English market, right? This is an English based channel, and we find trends, and once we find trends, we duplicate into multiple different languages, okay? So that's the perfect right way. So also I wanted to explain to you, if you do get started with this motivational style of videos, keep in mind that you gotta need 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours for you to be eligible to become in the come in the YouTube partner program, okay? But what we actually provide our one-on-one mentoring clients, and also our clients who actually get in our program, we provide them a already monetized channel. So that way, when they start uploading videos, like first video, they start earning income with the revenue they're actually making, right? Even if it's like $1 you see on your channel, that $1 will actually get you like motivated, okay? Even if it's like 50 cents, but that 50 cents will actually prove to you that whatever I'm actually doing is actually working. And then you gotta be keep on learning and keep on you know, moving forward towards your goal. However income that you want to be make, there's actually no ceiling into YouTube automation how much you can be actually earning. You can earn as much as you want, okay? You just need to have that drive for you to be finding niches and putting in the time to actually build one channel and then duplicate from there, okay? So if you want to know more about like monetized channel, how we actually monetizing our channel, and if you want to know what style of content that we create, if you want to also know about like how do we actually come up with these niches, so you can always be in the lookout. You can always know like, hey, I'm gonna be going into this niche and I'll be blowing up very, very fast. Get in touch with me so I can share with you in more details and shed some light into how we actually monetizing our channel. If you want to know more about like monetized channels, and also in terms of like what niches can we actually upload on our monetized channel, get in touch with me and I'll be able to share with you. So I'll leave all the details in the description. You can click and connect to me via Facebook and we can share in there. Thank you so much. My God bless you and you have an awesome day.